In this video, we're going to talk about how to calculate the derivative of an arcsine function. So, you're given a function arcsine x. The derivative of that is going to be 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. There's a little bit more to it, though. Another way to look at it is this. The derivative of arcsine x is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared dx. Okay, so times the derivative of x. Or better yet, the derivative of arcsine whatever, so whatever's in this argument here, is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus, again, this argument squared, times the derivative of that argument. So to demonstrate that, let's do an example here. Let's say you were given a function h at x, we'll call it. H at x is equal to arcsine 2x. So the derivative of that would be, we'll call it h prime at x. Okay, h prime at x is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus this box here. And in this case, this term is 2x. So 1 minus 2x, and close that in a bracket, squared. And then we're going to multiply that, okay, this entire term, by the derivative of 2x, okay? The derivative of 2x. And from our power rule, we know that the derivative of 2x is just equal to 2. So we can then simplify this further and write this as 2 over the square root of 1 minus, now 2x squared is just going to be 4x squared. So we're going to square the x and then square the 2, and that's how we get this answer here. And there you have it. So that would be the simplified answer to this problem. Now let's say we were to do another example. We were given a function we'll call f at x. F at x is equal to arcsine of e to the power of 3x. So how do we evaluate this derivative? So again, it's just the exact same process. So what we're doing is f prime at x, okay, the derivative f prime at x is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus e to the 3x, okay, 1 minus this box here, okay. Now what's this box? That would be e to the 3x, e to the 3x squared times the derivative of this argument here, okay, which is e to the 3x. So the derivative of e to the 3x is e to the power of 3x times the derivative of the exponent, which is just going to be 3. We can then go ahead and simplify the expression, and so we'll write in our numerator 3 to the power of, 3 times e to the power of 3x divided by, okay, I'm just going to clean that up there, divided by the square root of 1 minus e. Now remember, when we have an exponent outside of when you're multiplying exponents like this, you just simply, when you multiply, or when you take the power of a function that already has an exponent in it, you just multiply the exponent. So in this case, it'll be 2 times 3x, which is just going to be 6x. Power of 6x. And then we'll close that off there. and that will be the answer. That is the derivative of this function. So there you have it. That is how you calculate the derivative of an arcsine function.